Okay, yeah, so I'm back. My brownie's finished in 1 minute, and these are my toppings. So what I have with me here is homemade strawberry jam or sauce, if you want to call it that. Freshly picked strawberries. Yes, they're hand picked. I picked them. Yeah, I'll do another video showing you how I made this, but okay. This is strawberry sauce or jam, as I said before, and of course some ice cream. Vanilla is not really my flavor of choice, but that was the only one the 7-Eleven had, so I just took it up. And yeah, Haagen-Dazs. No. Yeah, so yeah, my toppings. And so let's add. For me, I like to have my brownies warm, so that I can add my ice cream, and my ice cream can just melt on my brownies. Yeah, there you go. And just a little tips more. Yes. Oh yeah, I'm still using a fork. Okay, that's delicious right there. And then let me get me a spoon now. Then I'm going to add my strawberry sauce or jam, if you so like. Yep, and that's my homemade brownie and my strawberry sauce. Yeah, with ice cream. Okay, so you want to make sure when you are, see, ice cream starts to melt. This is how I like my brownie. When you're taking up, you take up everything. Computer, don't sign out now. So yeah, this is my brownie and my ice cream. So yeah, I've made this before. This is me taste testing. I've made this before. This is me just making a video to show, and so I know that it tastes lovely. Oops, fell. So let's eat. Absolutely divine. You should try it. Thank you for watching.